Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Abegi Swad. Happy Rath Yatra to you all. On this occasion, today I am with two new recipes. One is Nimki and another is Chhena Murki. But before starting the video, make sure like, comment, share and also subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. To make Nimki, take 200 gram all-purpose flour or Maida, half teaspoon salt, 3 to 4 tablespoon ghee or oil. Mix everything together until the Maida become like breadcrumbs, and pressing together it will hold a shape. This process is called moyan, which will make the Nimkis crunchy and fluffy. Now add water little by little and make a tight dough out of it. Now add about half teaspoon Kalanji. This should be added before. I forgot to add, so adding now. Now let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes, now make balls out of the dough and roll into medium thick sheets. The thickness should be like tawa paratha. Now with a knife, cut into diamond shapes. You can also give any other shapes. Meanwhile, heat oil in a frying pan and then simmer the heat once it is hot. Fry Nimkis on low heat to make it crunchy. Fry in batches. Drain each batch on a paper towel before cooling them fully. You can store this up to a few weeks in a airtight container. This is an easy snack to serve with masala tea or milk tea. Now moving towards the next recipe, that is Chhena Murki. Chhena Murki is a popular Bengali sweet known for its simplicity and unique texture. This sweet originated in the coastal areas in the district of Bhadrak and nowadays is available in Odisha. To make this, take 200 gram chhena or paneer. Chhena making recipe is already in the channel. Squeeze out all the excess water and hang for 3 to 4 hours. There should be no moisture at all, or it can ruin the whole recipe. Knead the chhena well by rubbing with the palm. You will see the oil on the plate. Make a smooth dough. The dough should not be sticking with the plate. Knead for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoon maida or corn flour so that it can hold the shape into the syrup, and again mix everything together. Take a portion and cut into small cubes or balls. The cubes or balls should not be of same size, they can be of random shape and size. Meanwhile, in a pan or karai, take a cup of sugar and half cup of water. Let it melt completely. Cook the sugar syrup until one string consistency. Stir occasionally to avoid sticking at the bottom. Use 1 or 2 teaspoon milk to clear the sugar syrup. Now white bubbles will appear. Check the consistency by scraping at the side of the karai, or you can just see the white bubbles, and now the chhena cubes are ready to go into it. Add the chhena cubes and gently stir. Don't be harsh on it or you will end up breaking it. When the syrup started to thicken, switch off the flame. Let them cool down. Stir occasionally with few seconds interval, or the sugar will settle down at the bottom and won't be coated with the chhena cubes. Within few minutes you will see the sugar drying out completely and the chhena murki is ready. By the way, in this recipe other flavors like cardamon powder, rose water can also be added. I'm decorating it with dry rose petals. Store them into an airtight container at a cool, dry place. It will last up to a week. Enjoy a safe Rath Yatra with your close ones. Thanks for watching.